Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Visby, Sweden. We're going to show you this part of a ruins right here. Pretty cool. And here we go. We're going to walk through the old town. So if you're here, this is definitely a spot to check out. Going right through the gate. Right down Tourist Central here. And today we're walking through one of the most unique towns in Northern Europe. Visby sits on the Swedish island of Gotland in the Baltic Sea. It's home to around 25,000 people, making it the largest community on the island despite feeling more like a medieval town than a modern city. And as you might imagine, Visby is famous for the remarkably preserved medieval walls. We showed you to start the video. They are all around the city. They've got the cobblestone streets, centuries old churches, and colorful houses. The old town is so preserved that it's recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So you're definitely going to want to come here. And check out all these cobbled streets. The median age here is slightly older than Sweden as a whole, sitting in the mid-40s. Like much of Scandinavia, many younger residents leave for university or career opportunities on the mainland, before some eventually return later in life. The city is overwhelmingly ethnically Swedish, although immigration in the past few decades, has brought a modest bit of diversity. English proficiency is very high here, so if you're listening to this video and understanding what I'm saying, you'll be able to get around in town. One thing you'll probably notice is how relaxed it is around town. Employment here is driven by tourism, healthcare, education, local government, construction, retail, and agriculture. Tourism plays an important role in the summer when cruise ships and visitors flood the medieval streets, which is what we're doing today. This island is also known for farming, sheep production, limestone, and renewable energy, growing technology businesses that began to expand on the island. Sweden has relatively high wages by European standards, but that also comes with higher taxes that fund healthcare, education, infrastructure, and extensive social services. So you will make more, but you will be taxed to death. Housing's a bit expensive here compared to many small towns. Typical one-bedroom apartment might run roughly $750 to $1,100 US. And buying property inside the walls is considered quite expensive due to the high character and low supply. Outside the walls becomes considerably more affordable. Cost of a night out, 17 to 28 US. For drinks, considerably higher than other parts of Europe. Public services are excellent. Crime rates are relatively low. Streets are exceptionally clean, other than that big napkin I just saw from the restaurant. Infrastructure is well maintained. Crime in Visby, quite limited. Occasional property crimes, bike theft, and seasonal incidents with tourism. While violent crime is low compared to most of the world. And here we're coming up on the medieval wall here. Climate here is much milder than mainland Sweden thanks to the surrounding Baltic seas. Summers are pleasant with long daylight hours. Winters are cold, windy, and considerably darker. Take a look. Got this brewery here, built right into the medieval wall. Might have to double back and give that a shot. Also have pinchos, serving some tacos. When I think Sweden, I sure think tacos. One thing many people appreciate about Swedish culture is the emphasis on balance, the work-life balance here. There's also a strong cycling culture here, as you can see by all these bicycles. We walk through this side entrance through the medieval wall, but we're going for the main for you guys. Back out the main entrance. Now let's start walking down here. Take this little path back towards the wall by the medieval wall. Get a good look at this bad boy. Not sure how thick this wall is. Marie, what do you got for us? How thick you think this wall is?
Thick?
Marie says it is thicker than a Snicker. There are quite a few ruins in this town, so you want to check them out if you come to Visby. But I'd say this wall's about as impressive as it gets, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, that's probably about all I got for you in Visby. Appreciate you walking along with me. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, get a little more push, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.